Hey everybody, it's Dr. Bacon from East Cobb, Spine Sport Chiropractic. I'm hanging out with
Karetha Milton,
So, Karetha, where are you in from today?
Florida, Miramar Beach.
Yeah, so this is a lovely nurse that works down in Florida. Worked with us for a little while. Hey, you were just saying, were you excited to be here today?
Yes.
What did you notice in your low back?
I had back pain from gardening
Yeah.
yesterday, tightness,
Yeah.
and yep.
How quickly did it change?
Immediately after the adjustment.
Yeah, pretty neat. And we were talking about this. We need to start spreading people out where they can't come in and see us for until like a couple of months.
Right.
Then they'd really appreciate getting adjusted. No,
Right.
it is neat because it is one of those things that you haven't been adjusted in a little while. You come back up here. You come in. How often have we been seeing you? You try to get up here, whatever.
And I usually come every 6 weeks or so, and when I'm in town, I stop in on my way out of town and come back to get an adjustment.
Exactly. She's on her way out. In fact, Tracy's going to follow her down because it's a little vacation for Tracy too. But so I just wanted to kind of take a second really quick. Who do we thank for sending you over here?
Joanne Brown.
Yes. And I know it's kind of neat because those people who refer in, and we're kind of a referral-based practice, because people care about the people that we work with and hang out with. Mm-hmm. And I just wanted to make sure, I probably wonder, have you talked to her lately?
Not lately.
So here we go. On this little bacon bit, hopefully Joanne will watch this and get a chance to see this.
Yes.
We appreciate you doing this. Thank you for coming back in. Oh, you're also doing some vitamins. You get those taken care of too. Feeling pretty good on all that, right?
Yes, I
awesome.
am. Yep, I stock up when I come for an adjustment.
Yep. Awesome. Well, listen, thank you very much. We call this a bacon bit. See you guys again on the next one.
Bye.